What's up, guys? So I did a thing. I bought some wheels for my girlfriend's car. They're really nice. I got them super cheap for like 200 bucks off Facebook. They're original BBS wheels. Check it out. Original BBS wheels, size 17. But the only thing is that they're badly spray painted over, and they're inside out. So I gotta take them apart, sandblasting, clean them, Alright, so for the wheels, they're like really badly painted over, but this how it's supposed to look like. This one's just bad. So step one, I have to take off all these nuts. Alright, so I took all the nuts off, but the screw is still stuck in there, so I gotta spray every single one with the WD-40 and then punch them out with a hole punch. Not a hole punch, a punch and a hammer. Alright guys, check it out. I got 3 done, 2 more to go. That one and that one. What's up guys, good morning. So my phone died last night, so I wasn't able to get the whole time lapse, but I did get the whole rims apart. I took off all the bolts and I took off everything. So it's just the faceplate and the wheels. The wheels are right there, and the faceplate's right there. Check it out. So this is what the rims look like when they're taken apart. I took off all the bolts, but they're still a little bit rusted and corroded, so I'm gonna have to go sandblast them and go paint them. Cool. So guys, so quick update on the wheels. I'm using some aircraft remover, some Rust-Oleum aircraft remover, and then I just put it all around the rim just to get the paint off. It's coming out quite nicely, so just gotta wait. Alright, so this is all that came off of the first coat. I'm gonna add a second coat right now, and let's keep going. Alright, so this is with the second coat. Almost all of it off. Just gotta do a little bit more. Alright, so this is the finished result. I still gotta do some more polishing, but that's on the next step. You see, like right here, it has a little bit of paint, some scratches. I'm gonna fix all that soon. Now, another 5 to go. Alright, so I got 3 done, another one to go. Step 1, clean off all the dust. Alright, step 2, get the aircraft remover. That's good. Mix it all up. And when you're doing this, guys, try to do this in like one direction, because like it makes it a lot easier. Alright, so next step, gonna get steel wool, one of these and polish. Hey, what's up guys? So just an update, I got the wheels sandblasted, so this is what they look like. Completely clean, no paint or anything on them. I went to my local shop. I have a buddy that does sandblasting and he does powder coat, but I'm not going to powder coat these. I'm just going to spray paint them. So just a quick update. This is how they look right now, and I'll show you what they look like when they're painted. Alright, so it's time to paint the wheels. So these are the materials I'm using. I'm using a flame-proof primer. I'm using 1 coat of the primer. I'm using the coloring, 2 coats, and then 3 coats of the clear. So I'll show you what it's like when it's done. Alright, so this is just the first part with the primer. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you gotta do a light coat just to make sure you get every single little piece on the inside. Make sure you don't miss anything. So let's just wait for it to dry. Hey, what's up guys? So for part 2, I'm gonna add the second coat, the Doopy Color wheel coating. This is the one I'm gonna use. So it's gonna add a light coat and then add another coat and then the clear coat. Alright, so this is part 2. This is how it came out. I'm gonna do a light coat first and then a heavy coat. So it's coming out really nice. It's coming out very nice. It's so sparkly.